Replacing the shear pin. Warning: this is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Customers are encouraged to wear safety gloves when performing any maintenance. The shear pin is a safety device to protect the gearbox on your snow thrower. There are 2 shear pins, one on each of the auger blades. In the event that the impeller is overloaded, the shear pin is designed to fail first, to prevent serious damage to the unit. Tools required. You will need a 10mm wrench. Let's get started. Always remove the batteries before doing any maintenance in or near the auger housing. Typically, a broken shear pin will fall out on its own or can be removed by hand. Occasionally, however, the top or bottom half will get jammed in the auger bar and will need to be dislodged. If the pin is intact, loosen the nut using a 10mm wrench and remove the pin. Spare shear pins are located on top of the chute support. Insert the new pin and tighten the nut using a 10mm wrench. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.